Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my kitchen, a place packed full of fun, excitement and experimental cooking. It's lunchtime, I'm starving, and so today I'm knocking up an Arabic red lentil soup from a recipe inspired by my good Jordanian friend Ousama. Shukran jazilan habibi. Red lentil soup is a Middle Eastern dish. It's delicious, it's so easy to make, it's packed full of protein, it's packed full of fiber, it's packed full of essential minerals and vitamins. So red lentil soup is so easy to make, it's really just 3 ingredients. Red lentils, onions, and water. Add to that a few spices, some salt, some pepper, some ground cumin, some lemon juice, and we're ready to go. Easy peasy pudding and pie. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to get the soup going is drizzle a decent serving of olive oil into a pan over medium heat. Whilst the oil is warming up, I've chopped up a large onion and a couple of garlic cloves. And so the garlic and onion is going to go into the pan over a medium heat. And we're going to saute those until they become translucent and golden. While the onions are warming up, I'm just going to wash the lentils under a tap to give those a rinse. Make sure they're clean. So now that my onions and garlic are looking nice and browned, beautifully sauteed, I can add the lentils to this mix, chuck it all in, and we're going to saute those for a few moments as well. A couple of minutes until those start warming up. So once the lentils are sauteed for a few minutes and they start to look nice and soft, I'm going to add 2 cups of warm water. And then we're just going to bring this mixture to a boil over a medium heat. And then once you've brought the mixture to the boil, turn it down so it's on a low heat, so it's going to simmer for about 20 minutes, and add 1 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, a teaspoon of freshly ground salt, and the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon. Give that a good stir. And leave it to simmer quietly for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes of simmering, the soup's all cooked. Just look at that. Lovely and thick and rich and creamy. The only thing that's left to do now is to give it a vor with my hand blender. So here we go, hold your ears. And just look at that, beautiful and rich and creamy. You can see the speckles of pepper that I put into it. The only thing that is left now is to serve some up into a bowl and to tuck in. And so there's the end product. Oh my word, just look at that. Woohoo! I toasted myself some brown bread rolls and can't wait to dig into my red lentil Arabic soup. Yum!